Action.
Action. Alright, welcome to Kluger's Garage. Some of y'all had a question about this little cart that I have for the body. I'll go ahead and lift up my lift up the body off the cart, and we'll throw some measurements down for you. Pause it. Alright, here we go. Got it out. This is 4x4, but I don't remember. So I got 42 inches here. It's actually 42 and a quarter by about 48 and 3/8. And then this frame actually just comes out of here like this. And then in this portion, I just got 2 right angles that fit inside it. And as far as this goes, there's 30 inches this way and 51 inches that way. And probably, as far as make it again, I'd probably make it not quite as tall. So before I built this rack, I basically just had a bunch of jack stands, and then I put the jack stands in these right angle and then right in the corners here, and just lifted those up the appropriate height. And I had a 2x4 going across the top. So as far as it is height wise here, we have 25 inches to here, and then you could add 1.5 inches to there, so 26 and a half. And then off the ground, these are 6-inch casters. I'm not a huge fan of those casters. DJ, if you could take a picture of the casters of the wood table right behind you. Get down for those. So those would be the casters I would recommend. They roll a lot smoother. They have a lot better bearings. I'll go ahead, throw a link in the description or maybe even across the screen. So then I just put a bunch of braces going across, and I, what is that called? The Craig jig. All this. If you don't know what a Craig jig is, I'll go ahead, soup and get a little close up here so they can see. These are Craig jig holes. Craig jig. Craig jig. So if you have any more questions, just go ahead, throw them in the comments, and I'll get back to you. All right, thanks.
Thanks for building with me today. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Smash that subscribe button. If you're looking for more content, go ahead and check out my Facebook, Kluger's Garage, and Kluger's Garage on Instagram. Until next time, get out in the shop and build something